Hi, my name is Kyle Getzinger, and when I was 7, my oldest brother was killed in a car accident just out of nowhere. And being younger, I didn't really understand what it was or what it really meant, but I saw the impact that it had on my siblings, my mom and my dad. Come around sophomore year of high school, it was just a few days into that year, was woken up to finding out that my second oldest brother was also killed in a car accident. He was the one I was closest to. I loved my brother. There were plenty of times that when we were younger, we always fought, but that's just what brothers do. But we finally got up to that maturity level where we could talk and really be brothers, loving brothers. A few months after that, and really getting through the grieving process, I ended up meeting someone that I very much so fell for, and someone that led me to Christ, someone that brought me to understand who God is and what God wants. It was about 4 years after the relationship had started and we were already engaged. My second oldest sister was killed in a car accident, and that was in 2014. It was that same year that my sister had succumbed to her injuries and my dad succumbed to cancer after a few years of battling. It was about August 2016 when it was about a month before the wedding when my fiance decided she wanted to leave me. So the one person that kind of led me to Christ and I've been walking through so much with was just gone. I hated God. I didn't see much of a point to life, and there were plenty of thoughts of why should I even keep going? Why should I even try anymore? I should just give up. I said to God, I'm giving you one more chance, because everything you've just taken from me, so why should I follow you? So I came to Lifehouse, and coming to Lifehouse, before I even got to the sidewalk, Jay greeted me. And that to me, that meant a lot, because I'd never had that type of impact from anyone at a church before. He really showed the love of Christ in a way that I hadn't seen it in anyone else, because he made me feel very welcome, and I was just a stranger. But he made me feel like I was there forever. He had led me over to someone who's now a very good friend of mine, Chris, and Chris led me to the Grove, and the Grove has really helped me grow with God and to have a much better understanding of how it is to serve and the hardships, what they mean, and that they're meant to help us get through life and also help others get through life, to look towards God for the strength and for the answers. As hard as it has been, I can say that I am thankful for the life I've had, because God trusted me to be able to have the strength to get through it. God gave me the strength, He's given me the love, and He's there with me every step of the way. The biggest reason that I wanted to share my testimony with everyone tonight is just because it's not because I want pity, it's not because I want sympathy, it's because it shows God's love and God's strength for us. In the times that we walk in those valleys, that God is there to help pick us up and bring us to the peaks. And no matter how long those valleys are, God's there the whole time. And it's always God's strength that gets you through it, it's not your own. If it wasn't for God, then I probably wouldn't have gotten through it. And He's made my life a lot better than I could have really imagined.